So this is the first time that any drone will have vision-based navigation, obstacle avoidance at night and in the dark. And it does this by having powerful add-on lighting attachments that go in the top and bottom payload bays that provide bright 360 illumination for the drone that then allows the cameras to see and use our autonomy system. So this can be done in either visible light or infrared light. So we've designed a version of these cameras with lenses that can see both visible and IR light in the right ways of capturing the most value out of these lighting attachments while not degrading the daytime performance and sharpness.
The previous generation nav cams only operated in the visible spectrum, but for this one we optimized it for performance also in the near infrared. So we had to carefully work with make a custom filter, working with a filter design vendor to make sure the band is wide enough to let the active illumination that we're going to provide at night go through with high transmission, but not so wide that it compromises performance during daytime because there's a lot of infrared coming from the sun. It's very challenging, but that's one of the reasons why we had to make it custom. What was available off the shelf doesn't kind of check all the boxes.
This is the super zoom view of our Skydio system, which is a concatenation of the 6 navigation cameras. We have a 6x5 window, and we want to be able to see if the vehicle can navigate at night without hitting the obstacles.
And there's a lot of challenges involved because if you think about the robot itself is lighting up the scene around it, and so the shadows and motion of the drone itself will cause motion in the scene. Any sort of dust will cause reflections and backscatter.
When you're flying at night, a lot of the dust in the air, fog in the air, anything that's small particles that reflect light show up extra bright in the image and throw off a lot of the vision-based algorithms. And then we can train the deep flow network that does your stereo correspondences and your obstacle avoidance. That network can be more robust to basically not identifying those short little streaks as obstacles.
We are able to transition between visual navigation when you're flying close to things and then to GPS-based navigation when you fly further away and there's nothing to illuminate anymore. And so this enables a lot of the safe and trustworthy navigation that's known, Skydio is known for at night. The drone actually sending out this light surrounding the environment and using our same core autonomy engine is really magical and something that we've worked hard with our kind of hardware design and camera design to enable and ship with this product today.